Okay, the Windows Developer preview for Windows 8 came out a few days ago, so I thought we'd look at producing a VMware machine with the Windows 8 developer in it. It's pretty easy. Thought I'd just show you what it looks like, how you get it started. I'm going to use VMware. This is version 4, which was only released around the 13th or 14th of September, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select to create a new virtual machine. Okay. We'll just run through the wizard. Okay, we're going to create a custom virtual machine. Click continue. We can select Windows 7 x64. That's about the nearest one we have on the list. That's fine. Customize settings. Okay, I'm just going to save it on one of my dump drives. That'll do. Windows 8. Okay, and what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is bang up the processors of memory. I'm going to give it 4 cores, and 8 gig of memory because I want it to be quick for the build. The other thing I'm going to do is on the CD, I'm going to set the CD drive to the ISO image for Windows 8, which will be in here somewhere. Right down the bottom, Windows 2008. I'm going to go for the developer edition, which is there. Okay, that's it. We can now fire at the machine. One thing I just want to quickly point out though, you'll probably see my machine's quite busy at the moment. I've got some recording, I've got some handbrake stuff going on, I've also got some stuff seeding for work as well. So it should be faster hopefully on your machine. So let's power it up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see so far it looks remarkably like Windows 7. So what we'll do is we'll just change it to UK, or of course you can leave it US if you want. Just click next and let it continue. And then we've got our install now, so let's run through and see what it comes up with. Okay, so obviously you need to read the license agreement thoroughly and make sure you understand absolutely all of it, and then accept the license terms. I've obviously read it previously, so I can just accept it. There you go. We're going to go for a custom install. There's my disk space. I've got 60 gig allocated, so drive options, new. There we go. We've got a new partition. It's pretty obvious, really. Very, very similar to Windows 7, obviously. Format it. There we go. Click next, then off it will go. This will take a little while, so we'll just leave this running. Okay, that didn't take too long. Of course, there's more licensing that we need to accept, so let's do that. Ooh. There we go. We'll accept it and let it carry on. We'll just do some personalization. Let's call that an 1.8 dev. You call that machine anything you like, obviously. Let's run through the custom settings as well. Yeah, why not? Pretty much everything's turned on from the way it looks in the developer anyway. I'm just going to sign in with my address there. Or not. Alright, well, it's not an address I use, so I don't particularly care if people send me email on it. Okay. Okay, there you can see we now have our Windows 8 developer machine. Doddle to set up, doesn't take too long, and there you go. So what we'll do is, in some of the follow-on videos, we'll just run it through a few more of the features and stuff like that, so we can have a look around and see what's different.